Now, before moving to next what happened, once we will revise that how the story began. Once there was a Maharaja of Travancore. So he invited many important people on dinner one evening. But before that evening, when all the important people were invited, he went to the kitchen that afternoon and he just went through that what and how many things are prepared for that evening, like pickles, chutneys, bread, rice, and he was very happy to see the things were re- nearly ready for the feast. But the king saw small pieces of vegetables that were of no use. Now, what happens next? The king asked the head cook, "What will you do with all these vegetable scraps?" The king asked, to whom? To the head cook. "What will you do with all these vegetable scraps?" What is the meaning of scrap? Some vegetables that are very few, we cannot use them, and they were just of no use. "They are waste, sir. We will throw them away," the cook replied. The head of the cook replied to the Maharaja that they are waste and they will throw them away. Maharaja said, "We should not waste all these vegetables. Find a way to use them," he commanded. What Maharaja commanded? He commanded to the head cook that these vegetables that are of no use, but they still should not be wasted. Instead, find a way to use them. Then he returned and left the kitchen. Now, the cook was worried. He stared at the scraps and thought, there was only a little yam, plantain, cucumber, and potato. Now the cook was very worried. He was worried that what he is going to do with all these scraps that are of no use, but Maharaja have commanded him that he have to use it. Then he just went through that what are the things that are with him, like yam, plantain, cucumber, and potato. There was carrot, few beans, and few chilies. He only had a small amount of everything except one thing. He had everything of very small amount except one thing, and what was that? Outside he had a whole tree full of ripe coconuts. He had a whole tree full of ripe coconuts. This chapter is trash to treasure. Now, what is the meaning of trash? Trash are the things that are of no use that we usually found in junk, and to treasure. So, to use or to reuse, to recycle some waste things, waste materials, and to make it something valuable. So, in this story, we are going to read about trash to treasure. Now, in this, there was a king who was the king of Travancore. Now, what is Travancore? Travancore is basically a kingdom in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So, one day what happened? He invited all the important people to his palace on dinner one evening. So, one evening what he did? he invited so many important people. Then he just went to the kitchen and tried to know that what the things were prepared for the dining that evening. Then suddenly he found that there was one basket that was kept, some few vegetables were there in that basket. He asked the cook that what are they going to do with these vegetables. The king asked the head cook, "What will you do with all these vegetable scraps?" "They are waste, sir. We will throw them away," the cook replied. Who replied this? The cook. "We should not waste all these vegetables." The Maharaja said. Now here what happened? The king asked the head cook, "What are you going to do with all these vegetable scraps?" Then the cook replied that we are going to throw them away because they all are waste. But Maharaja said, "No, we should not waste these vegetables. Instead, why not you find out a way to use them?" So he commanded the head of the cook. Then he turned and left the kitchen. Now the cook was worried. He stared at the scraps and thought. There was only a little yam, plantain, cucumber, and potato. There was carrots, a few beans, and a few chilies. He only had a small amount of everything except for the one thing. All the things that he was having were very few. There were very little with him, but except one thing. Outside, he found a tree full of ripe coconuts. So, after that, king asked the head of the cook that what are you going to do with these vegetables that are all waste and are of no use. So, the cook said that, "Maharaja, we are going to throw it away because they are of no use." What is the meaning of scrap here? Scrap, waste material that is of no use. So few vegetables were kept in the kitchen that were of no use. But suddenly Maharaja said, "You have to make a use of all those vegetables. You don't have to waste it. So try to make a dish from it so that the vegetables can be reused." Suddenly, the head of the cook was astonished and he thought that what he is going to do with those vegetables. But suddenly, he had an idea. He was having few vegetables such as yam, plantain, cucumber, potatoes, and few beans were there, carrots were there, and few chilies were there. But all were in a few amount. One thing he came to know that outside his kitchen, in the yard, there was coconut tree. He got an idea to use those coconuts and make a dish to mix all the vegetables and to make one dish out of it. Activity 5, a new dish, part 2. The cook stepped outside, looked up at the tree, and suddenly he had an idea. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, cleaned them well, and cut them into long strips. He put them all into a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he grounded the fresh coconut. He added green chilies, garlic, and some salt to it. Soon, the vegetables were all cooked. He stirred in the coconut and plenty of curd, poured on some coconut oil and sprinkled it all with. Today we will be reading part 2, a new dish of chapter 4, Trash to Treasure. Before moving to the part 2, हम एक बार part 1 को क्विक रिकैप लेते हैं, जिसमें कि महाराजा ऑफ त्रवनकोर ये बहुत बड़ा एक डिनर ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं काफ़ी बड़े लोगों के लिए और खुद के पैलेस में। तो एक दिन वो किचन में जाते हैं, जिस शाम को डिनर होता है उस शाम को वो किचन में जाते हैं और ये देखते हैं कि वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी वेजिटेबल्स हैं वो यूं ही वेस्ट हो रही होती है। तो जो किंग है वो पूछते हैं कुक से कि आप इन वेजिटेबल्स का क्या करोगे। तो कुक बोलते हैं कि वो उसको कहीं फेंक देंगे बिकॉज अब वो और यूज के नहीं है। बट महाराजा जो है वो कमांड करते हैं कि नहीं, आपको इनको रीयूज करना है, आप इससे ऐसी कोई डिश बनाइए जिससे कि आप इसको रीयूज कर सकें। जिसकी वजह से कुक जो है वो काफ़ी सरप्राइज हो जाता है एंड ही इज लुकिंग फॉर अ न्यू डिश और वो ऐसा आइडिया लगाता है कि मैं इन वेस्ट वेजिटेबल्स का क्या कर सकता हूँ। तो अब हम चलते हैं हमारे पार्ट 2 में, अ न्यू डिश। उसमें उसको एक आइडिया आता है, वो बाहर अपने किचन के बाहर एक कोकोनट ट्री देखता है और उससे उसको एक आइडिया आता है एक न्यू डिश प्रिपेयर करने का। तो वो सबसे पहले जितनी भी वेजिटेबल्स जो वेस्ट रखी हुई थी उनको वो वॉश करता है, क्लीन करता है, उनको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कट करता है और लंबी लंबी स्ट्राइप्स उनकी जो भी छिलके होते हैं उसको रिमूव करता है। उसके बाद वो जितनी भी वेजिटेबल्स होती है उसको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कट करके जो भी बड़ा सा पॉट होता है उसके अंदर डाल के उसको कुकिंग के लिए फायर पे चढ़ा देता है और उसमें जो फ्रेश कोकोनट उसने बाहर ट्री पे देखे थे वो भी उसमें ग्रेट करके उसको काट के उसमें डाल देता है। उसके बाद वो उसमें थोड़ा सा कोकोनट मिलाता है, कर्ड मिलाता है और उसमें कोकोनट ऑयल को पोर करता है। पोर मीन्स उसमें थोड़ा सा कोकोनट ऑयल को ऐड करना और थोड़ी सी स्प्रिंकल करता है करी लीव्स। स्प्रिंकल होता है मतलब थोड़ा सा ऊपर से किसी चीज को भुरभुरा देना या थोड़ा स्प्रेड कर देना किसी चीज को। The new dish was ready. The cook served his invention to the guest that evening. The guest loved it. The king liked it so much that he gave the cook a beautiful gold bracelet as a reward. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought that what should he name the dish? What could he really call this mixture of many things? Then he thought of it and he named the dish Avial. After that, Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional feast of Kerala. Isn't it amazing that it all came from a basket of scraps and became a good idea? सारी चीज़ों को मिला के एक डिश प्रिपेयर करने की कोशिश की एंड आप लोग बिलीव नहीं करोगे कि एक बहुत ही बढ़िया डिश रेडी हो गई। और उसके बाद उसने उस अपने इन्वेंशन को पूरे गेस्ट के सामने सर्व किया। सभी गेस्ट जो थे दे वर ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आखिर ये जो नई डिश इस बार प्रिपेयर हुई है इसमें क्या खास बात होगी। तो जब सारे गेस्ट ने उस डिश को खाया और किंग ने जब उसको टेस्ट किया तो उसको बहुत पसंद आया। किंग महाराजा महाराजा जो है उनको बहुत पसंद आया और उन्होंने कुक को जो है अपना गोल्ड का ब्रेसलेट उसको गिफ्ट में दिया। और उस डिश का नाम, वो इतनी फेमस डिश हो गई केरला में तब से कि उस डिश का नाम रखा गया एवियल। जब सारे गेस्ट ने कुक से पूछा कि आप इस डिश को क्या बोलते हो, इस डिश का क्या नाम रखोगे, तो सडनली उसके पास कोई नाम नहीं था। उसने उसको नाम क्या दिया, एवियल। एवियल नाम रख दिया उस डिश का। और वो डिश आज के समय में केरला में इतनी फेमस है कि जितने भी ट्रेडिशनल वहाँ पे खाने का प्रोग्राम या जो भी ट्रेडिशनल फीस्ट वगैरह केरला में होते हैं वहाँ पे ये